Removing white space around a saved image. I need to take an image and save it after some process. The figure looks fine when I display it, but after saving the figure, I got some white space around the saved image. I have tried the tight option for savefig method, did not work either. The code. I am trying to draw a basic graph by using networkx on a figure and save it. I realize that without a graph it works, but when added a graph I get white space around the saved image.
I cannot claim I know exactly why or how my solution works, but this is what I had to do when I wanted to plot the outline of a couple of aerofoil sections, without white margins, to a PDF file. Note that I used matplotlib inside an IPython notebook, with the PyLab flag. I have tried to deactivate different parts of this, but this always leads to a white margin somewhere. You may even have modified this to keep fat lines near the limits of the figure from being shaved by the lack of margins.
You can remove the white space padding by setting bbox_inches equals typed in savefig. You'll have to put the argument to bbox_inches as a string. Perhaps this is why it didn't work earlier for you. Possible duplicates. Matplotlib plots, removing axis, legends and white spaces. How to set the margins for a matplotlib figure? Reduce left and right margins in matplotlib plot.
After trying the above answers with no success, and a slew of other stack posts, what finally worked for me was just. Importantly, this does not include the bbox or padding arguments.
I found something from Arvind Pereira, this URL, and seemed to work for me.
If you want to see more